welcome guys. So go back to our Math GRE 9367 form 52. For the 52 is very easy. X be a transformation on xy plane that reflects each vector through x-axis, then double the vector length. Okay, so basically, here saying that suppose you have a vector x and y, and then reflect to x-axis. So this is x and minus y, right? And double the length. So double the length, just double the component. So we have x, y mapped to 2x minus 2y. Okay, so basically you can choose A to be 2, 0, 0, minus 2. Right, because A on xy basically just 2x minus 2y. So the answer is D. The answer is D. Yeah. So too simple. Yeah.